KitKat, the crispy chocolatey treat with a familiar, delightful flavor, has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Beneath its iconic red wrapper lies a fascinating and meticulous production process. Have you ever wondered what makes KitKat so irresistibly enticing? Today, join us on a journey through one of the world's largest chocolate factories, where over 8 million bars are crafted daily. This sweet adventure is sure to amaze and delight. Subscribe to our channel to discover more behind-the-scenes secrets of your favorite treats. 1. From cocoa farms to the factory. Every great story starts at the beginning, and for KitKat, it all begins in the cocoa fields of West Africa. Here, farmers carefully harvest the ripe cocoa pods by hand to ensure the beans inside remain intact. Once collected, the pods are cracked open to reveal the cocoa beans, which are dried under the blazing sun for 8 days. During this time, the beans lose moisture and develop the rich chocolate flavor essential to KitKat. Before being sent to the factory, the beans undergo rigorous quality checks, including moisture tests, size inspections, and aroma evaluations. Only the finest beans are selected for the next stage, ensuring the unmistakable KitKat flavor starts with the best ingredients. 2. Cleaning the cocoa beans. Once these carefully selected beans arrive at the factory, the first step is ensuring they are completely clean and ready for the transformation ahead. Workers empty sacks of beans into massive conveyor systems that transport them to the cleaning station. Inside a sealed rotating drum, the beans tumble gently, rubbing against each other to loosen their stubborn outer shells. Powerful air jets blow away dust, debris, and any remaining shells. This process leaves the beans spotless and prepared for the next stage. Cleanliness is crucial, as it ensures the quality and purity of the final chocolate. 3. Roasting. With the beans now spotless, it's time to awaken their full potential through the art of roasting. The cleaned beans are placed into large industrial machines where precise temperature and timing bring out their rich, complex flavors. Much like coffee beans, roasting cocoa is a delicate balance. Too little roasting, and the beans will lack flavor. Too much, and they risk becoming bitter. During this process, the beans' natural sugars caramelize, unlocking the deep aromatic notes that define KitKat's chocolate. 4. Grinding the cocoa beans. Now that the beans are perfectly roasted, they are ready to undergo grinding. This is where the magic begins to take shape. The roasted beans are crushed in massive grinders that break them apart and extract the rich cocoa mass. As the beans are crushed, their natural fats, cocoa butter, are released, creating a smooth, thick cocoa paste. This paste is then processed further to separate the cocoa butter, leaving behind pure cocoa cakes. These cakes are ground into a fine cocoa powder, the essential ingredient for KitKat's signature chocolate coating. 5. Crafting the Silky chocolate coating. From here, the journey continues with a seamless transition to crafting the chocolate. The cocoa powder is mixed with sugar, milk powder, and other secret ingredients in enormous mixing machines. This mixture churns continuously until it becomes a rich, velvety chocolate mass. Next comes the conching process, where the chocolate is refined to a microscopic level. This step ensures the chocolate melts effortlessly on the tongue, delivering its creamy, indulgent texture. Finally, the chocolate undergoes tempering, a process of carefully heating and cooling it to maintain a smooth and glossy finish. Now the chocolate coating is ready to embrace KitKat's iconic wafer layers. Doesn't this process sound fascinating? Subscribe to our channel now so you don't miss out on more exciting discoveries about your favorite products. 6. The heart of KitKat, wafer production. While the chocolate coating is being perfected, the journey shifts to creating KitKat's heart, the wafer layers. If chocolate is the soul of KitKat, then the crispy wafer layers are its essence. Creating the perfect wafer begins with simple ingredients like wheat flour, sugar, water, and vegetable fats. These are mixed together in precise proportions with a leavening agent that gives the wafer its signature lightness and crunch. The smooth batter is piped into rectangular molds and baked at high temperatures for just 30 seconds. This quick bake locks in the wafer's crispiness while preserving its delicate flavor. Once baked, the wafer sheets are cooled with gentle air streams to maintain their texture and prevent melting during the chocolate coating process. 7. Assembling the KitKat bars. The magic happens when the crispy wafers and luscious chocolate come together. At this stage, each wafer sheet is spread with a thin layer of chocolate filling, made from a blend of chocolate and finely crushed KitKat pieces. This filling acts as both a binder and a flavor enhancer, ensuring the wafers stay intact. The layered wafers are then coated in a glossy chocolate shell. Liquid chocolate cascades over the wafers in thin, even layers, completely enveloping them. After 3 layers of chocolate are applied, the bars are cooled and shaped to perfection. 8. Cutting the KitKat bars. Once the chocolate coating hardens, the KitKat bars move along a conveyor belt to the cutting zone. Here, precision blades operate at high speed to divide the large sheets into individual KitKat sticks. This process is carefully calibrated to ensure each bar is uniform in size and shape. The cutting process is mesmerizing to watch, as hundreds of bars are perfectly separated in just seconds. This step marks the transformation of the assembled product into the familiar KitKat format we all recognize and love. 9. Packaging. After cutting, the individual KitKat bars are passed onto the packaging line, where advanced robotic arms swiftly wrap each bar in shiny, recyclable foil. The iconic red wrapper is then added, giving the bars their signature look. The packaging process is fully automated, ensuring efficiency and consistency. Every KitKat is securely wrapped to preserve its freshness and protected during transportation, ready to delight chocolate lovers worldwide. 10. Quality control. Before the KitKat bars are shipped out, they undergo a series of rigorous quality checks. Every bar is inspected for flaws, such as cracks, uneven coating, or air bubbles. Any bar that doesn't meet the high standards is rejected, but nothing goes to waste. Rejected bars are crushed and reused as part of the chocolate filling for new bars, ensuring sustainability in the production process. Only the perfect KitKat bars make it through to the final stage, ready to be boxed and distributed globally. Have a break, have a KitKat. This iconic slogan reminds us to pause, refresh, and savor life's sweet moments. From cocoa fields to factory floors, every KitKat bar reflects the dedication and craftsmanship of countless hands. Every day, up to 8 million KitKat bars roll out of the factory, bringing joy to chocolate lovers worldwide. Don't miss out on more fascinating journeys like this. Subscribe to our channel today for a sweet dose of discovery. The famous yellow mustard is made from white mustard seeds, offering a mild, pleasant taste and a characteristic yellow color. However, in large-scale production, brown and black mustard seeds are primarily used to create other popular mustard varieties. These seeds are planted in spring, from March to April, and harvested in September, providing a rich mustard yield. Mustard plants grow quickly, and by late June, mustard fields bloom into vibrant yellow. By early August, the flowers turn into pods, and harvesting begins in September. Around 85% of the world's mustard seeds are produced in Canada, Montana, and North Dakota, with Canada being the largest mustard producer and exporter. France is also the largest consumer of mustard, and Dijon mustard, a well-known variety named after the city of Dijon in France, is one of the most popular types. Alongside Dijon mustard, yellow mustard is one of the most common mustard varieties worldwide. The production process of mustard in large factories is intricate and ensures high-quality products that meet the growing demand of consumers worldwide. If you enjoy learning about the production processes of different condiments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on any fascinating videos. 1. Harvesting and seed preparation. The mustard production process begins with basic steps like cleaning and sorting the seeds. After harvesting, the mustard seeds are brought to the factory, where they are cleaned to remove dirt, stones, and impurities. These seeds are sorted by size, ensuring uniformity for efficient processing. 2. Soaking and flavoring. Once cleaned, the mustard seeds move on to the next stage of production. One of the crucial steps is soaking the seeds in a mixture of water and vinegar, which helps the seeds swell and absorb the flavors. This process not only gives the mustard its signature taste, but also helps activate compounds in the seeds. Additional spices like turmeric, salt, and paprika are also added during this stage to provide the characteristic golden color and robust flavor. 3. Grinding and texture formation. Next, the mustard seeds are crushed to form a smooth mixture. In modern factories, this grinding is done using specialized machinery that employs grinding stones to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This traditional grinding method has been used for over a century, ensuring the mustard has the ideal texture and unmistakable flavor. Don't forget to hit subscribe to learn more about the production processes of other condiments you enjoy. 4. Mixing and blending. The next important step is mixing, where the mustard mixture is combined with other ingredients like vinegar, water, and spices. The mixing process takes place at high speeds, allowing the ingredients to blend evenly. Once mixed, the mustard paste is transferred into large containers, where a system of slow-speed mixers ensures that no air enters, preserving the color and flavor of the mustard. 5. Quality check and packaging. To ensure quality, the mustard goes through a rigorous quality control process. The grinding machines are adjusted to achieve a smooth and consistent texture. Once the processing steps are complete, the mustard is poured into storage tanks and then packaged into glass jars or bottles, ready for distribution. Packaging and distribution. Once the mustard has passed the quality checks and completed the processing stages, it is packaged into glass jars or plastic bottles. In modern factories, automatic systems fill over 300 jars every minute, ensuring fast and efficient production. After packaging, each mustard jar undergoes an automatic visual inspection to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you want to learn more about the production processes of other condiments and foods. After packaging, the mustard is distributed to supermarkets and stores worldwide. Each jar of mustard is not only the result of a blend of modern technology and traditional methods, but also the product of a meticulous process from planting to production, ensuring the final product is flavorful and loved by consumers. Mustard is an essential condiment for many dishes, from sandwiches to hot dogs, hamburgers, and salads. The mustard production process, from seed planting to the final product, requires precision and care at every step. Mustard is more than just a condiment. It symbolizes the combination of tradition and innovation, delivering a unique flavor that is enjoyed worldwide. Be sure to subscribe to the channel now to discover more interesting videos about food and condiment production processes.